Everybody, good morning. My name is Esteban Garzon, and I will present you about the great white egret. Okay. So this is my outline, and this is the organization of my presentation. First, I will talk about general information. Then I will talk about the habitat in which this bird lives, and I will talk about the breeding habits. Then I will talk about the migration habits. Then I will talk about unusual behavior that those birds present, and at least I will show you my references. So, general information, as you can see in this picture, this is the white egret. Is a bird that weighs around 700 grams and 1.5 kilograms, and has long legs and long neck, and their length is from 85 centimeters to 100 centimeters. Something interesting about this bird is that it's homothermous. That means that it can control its internal temperature. That's something very good for them because, as I will talk later, they live in different habitats, so they have to adapt themselves to other habitats. They also feed from fish, from animals, from reptiles, so it makes this bird a carnivorous. Okay, so the habitat they usually live. They live pretty much everywhere, like in all the 5 continents, and they usually live in tropic zones, which allows them to be in a warm place, and they live in high trees. Usually they live in high trees that has water close to them because they are like fishing animals, so they like to eat fishes, and in the trees they also build their nests. And it's very strange because there are some of these birds that live like in colonies together with other birds, and there are other birds that they live by themselves and they fly. Okay, so the breeding habits. Those birds, they put almost like from 3 to 6 eggs once a year, from May until June. In the winter, they prepare the nest where they put the eggs, and another thing interesting about those birds is that the male, as the female, they incubate the birds for like almost 26 days, and then after the babies are born and they go out from their cocoon, from their eggs, they learn to fly in the next 43 to 60 days. They make the nest of twins, like parts of the trees, and the immigration habits of those animals is very irregular. As I told you, they either live in colonies or lives by themselves. They usually live in warm places, but a few of them are found in the north of Europe, in the north part of Europe. In the winter, almost all of them they fly to the Mediterranean, and they spend there the winter until it gets warmer in another place. Okay, so I will talk to you to the unusual behavior. When the babies are born, those babies who don't learn how to fly, they will be murdered or killed from their brothers or sisters, because it's something that will damage their genetically. It will damage the species. So therefore, they kill the brothers if they don't learn to fly in the next 60 days. And Another unusual behavior for me was that the fact that the male and the female both incubate the babies. And they swallow their pride. Do you see this long thing? And the long neck, when they want to like attack and eat their prey, they just stay quiet. And without the other animal like seeing and noticing that they are coming closer, they come closer and they stay quiet. And right when they are close enough, they attack and eat the whole and swallow the whole prey, as you can see in this picture. Yeah, that's all my presentation. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, I will answer your questions.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.